Welcome back to the Lazy A-Hole Ranch, everyone. My name is Allie, and today we're talking about some flooring samples I've been testing over the past 3 years. Some of which did really great, some of which not so much. They spent the first year of their life in a box outside, and then I brought the box down here and just laid them all out face up and just left them to the elements. There were definitely some clear winners in durability and clear losers. All of these samples, these small square samples, came from the Home Depot. Without further ado, let's go over these. Khaki Oak Dark. Khaki Oak Dark. I think some of this has gotten a little bleached. I don't recall if this was this light. I think this was just a dark wood. But this has shown some signs of weathering, where this one's a little bit better. It's also a lighter color, so you can't tell, you can't see the damage as much. Another Home Depot Grip Strip Resilient Plank Flooring. You can see how it shows dirt. This one looks, well, I don't think it's too bad. And I haven't done anything else to these. I've just left them out in the sun. I mean, we could get into bending and things like that, but that may be in the future if you guys like videos like this. Now we get into more of the rigid core stuff. So this was a restored wood. And these samples do seem like they have held up better than these do. 25-year residential warranty. So we have grip strip, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and resilient plank floor. I'm thinking that this is probably the most basic of the vinyl flooring. These two are more of the upgraded. And these have nothing under them, it's just a little. And then we have the vinyl core, we have the core stuff that has the foamy. These held up definitely better than these. There's a massive difference between this stuff and this rigid core luxury vinyl plank flooring. I ordered a bunch of samples from a company called Floors to Your Home. This is an engineered wood. This is the luxury vinyl. It was a thicker vinyl. This was my original plan for flooring for the house, but I have changed my mind. That is an engineered wood. That became a hot mess. One takeaway I want to give you from this is if you're more ecologically minded and taking that into consideration, what gets thrown away and what ends up in the landfill, then this versus this might be a better option, because people don't live in their homes forever and other people remodel those homes. I think I kind of want to find something that's a happy medium. I want to find something that's going to stand up to my dogs, because my dogs literally try to dig under the door to get to my cats. So I want to find something that's not going to sit like this and never decompose. I also think this isn't good enough for me. I would like to continue this experiment. So these have been outside for 2 years. I've got some more of this rigid core luxury vinyl flooring, so we'll be able to see the difference between 1 year and a couple years. It's not the same sample, and I think in the future I'll get multiple versions of each sample so that I can test them over time. Brand new, 1 year. This is from Cali Bamboo. Mocha eucalyptus fossilized wide click engineered wood. So this is an engineered eucalyptus. This one has a veneer on top, and then it has several layers of like ply. This one is eco-engineered bamboo and eucalyptus with 13 coats of aluminum oxide finish. This one has a 10 coat aluminum oxide finish. These have a 50-year residential warranty, and this is engineered wood. So this is also Cali Bamboo. This is cork flooring, and it has a 15-year residential warranty. It is just a bed of cork, really. Very lightweight. I mean, it is definitely misshapen and beginning to delaminate. This has been outside for 1 year. This has been outside for 3 years. So I think this one is going to end up like this one by year 3. And I have 3 more of the rigid core luxury vinyl flooring, choice oak, seasoned wood, and scratch stone. These also came from Cali Bamboo. These are called geowood, engineered hardwood with geocore. This has a 7-coat aluminum oxide finish, 50-year residential warranty. It says it's made with real wood. It feels like a tile. It feels like a ceramic. It says real wood, moisture resistant, easy to clean, fast install. It has some kind of foam on the bottom. This soft is cushy. So it's got a wood veneer on top, a very thin one. I don't know that this is going to hold up well in the sun and stuff, but we'll see. I will put these 3 out and see how these hold up. We'll test these out too. And I'll let you know how these are doing in about a year. This is that one that felt more like ceramic. This didn't hold up well at all. This is just 1 year, and look how much this has come to bits. Mike's mom's flooring. These have actually held their color pretty well. And for this sample that's been out here 3 years and done so well, we're gonna put this little stick on it. And over the next year, we'll see how this fades. At some point over the past year, one of the tiles got moved around and overlapped, so you can really see the fading over 3 years. I believe these two started out at the same color, so you can really see. These are both the Allure plank by Home Depot. Both have a 25-year residential warranty, but this one is held up much better than this one. What I really enjoyed about this one is you can see it's still very pliable. That's held up really well that way. It has definitely faded significantly, but this one has held up the best. These rigid core ones, they've held up pretty well. They're still really sturdy. They've just faded a lot because of the UV. This is the one I was originally gonna put in my house. Man, I'm back to this one again. It's definitely faded over the years, but it has really held up well. It's pretty heavy duty. The only problem is Floors to Your Home looks like a closeout kind of place where you get a lot of clearance stuff and overstock. So I just don't think this is going to be available, but I can probably find something very similar. Are there any other products that you'd like to see us test on the channel? Leave a comment below and let us know. I love you guys to the moon and back. You have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you soon. And if you like this video, check out this video here.